Hello, friends. Welcome back to Millionaire's Advice. I am Emma Nelson, back with another video. And today, in this video, I will tell you tips and tricks to collect money online. Maybe you want money, you need money to do something, and just imagine money was just one click away from you. That would be fantastic, right? So today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks and some sites from where you can gain money online. Maybe you're thinking, no, that's not possible. It's just, everyone says that, but today I'm going to show you with proof. That's true. That's true. When I say it, it's true. So please be with me throughout the whole video and stay with me. And if you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and like it as well. Thank you. So I am back on my screen, which is, you can see twitch.tv. This is my account, as you can see there with the yellow icon. It's like the person with the yellow icon, so that means you are logged in here. So this is my account, and so Twitch TV is famous for video games as well as music, but the music came after the video games. And as far as I know, if you're doing the game thing here, you're right, in the right path, and it's very easy. So, and all of you can do it. So let me go onto the screen again and see people here live streaming here. As you can see, the most easiest ways to connect with your audience. And the thing is, you can play video games, and along with that you can comment on the viewers that you that are commenting on your video. That's an easy option as well, so you can definitely do that. And what you can do is to be more famous, reply to most of the chats as you can. And that's a secret tip I will say to you. And when they get interested, the viewers will be more in your account. They will comment to someone else. So that's an interesting option you can do. And comment on their, reply whatever they say, the viewers say. Comment on them. Try to comment on them. So now I will just show you the ways. Just log in and sign up. Sign up and log in. That's the easy way. It's easy and it's done everywhere. So I will not discuss about that right now, as you can see. And I will tell you about another site right now from where you can earn money. So for that, you just need to keep watching the video till the end. And now let's go to a different screen with a different record. So let's see. So guys, as you can see, I am in a different screen now, and it is OKE.io. First, you need to sign up here with the same thing, username, email, and password. I'm not a robot, and submit it. And after you have submitted it, this screen will appear in your PC. And this is a brand new account, and this has not been used for anything. So there's no money actually here. So what happens is you need to do a trick here. First, you need to go to Fortnite, and you need to select 3 videos for yourself. But Fortnite is so amazing, so mesmerizing. I don't know what happens to me. I just get lost in these things, and I need to see them, but now I can't see. It's very complicated. At first I need to go to the videos now, and then I just need to select 3 videos, 3 to 4, depends on the number you can select. So first I'll go to first video, and then I will click on share. Oh, this one is going on. This is amazing. Okay, I'll click on the share and just copy the link. And then what happens is I need to go back on OKE.io. But first I need to copy this one. Don't copy anything else. Copy your like from the video, and then go to the site OKE.io and copy your link. And then what happens is you will get a shortened link which is needed for you, and then you need to copy the shortened link. Remember the shortened link from here, not the previous link, the shortened link from here. And what I have done, I have created a template for Fortnite, and you can create as much as you templates you can make for different games. So I will put the shortened link in this video, like in this space where I've created video 1. So this is the shortened link for my video 1, and then I will do the same thing for video 2 and 3. Select them and paste it, but first in the OKE.io, then paste it. Okay, so as you can see, from Germany, if people from Germany clicks, then I will get $4, USA $4, and Singapore $1, and like these are the countries. That means if the people from those countries click in this link, I will get the money. So this is the PC Gamer, and this is also on Mesmerizing, a very old site. And as you can see in the upper side, there are many options for you for World Magazine and info and etc. news, and most of the things reviews. Here the reviews. So I'll go first to the forums, and then from the forums I will search for the discussion site. So let's go on to the discussion site. Okay, this is the PC gaming discussion, and there is the general gaming. What happens here, the template you have created, you can share it here. Why? Because there are people around the whole world who share their templates, their links, and you know the easiest way to earn money is from here, because while discussing they will search for an option where they can get the clips easily. So if you put their link of these videos, they will directly click on the link and the money will directly come onto your account. So you just need to make a template and just paste it here. So it is as easy as that, guys. This thing I will recommend it you for sure. So guys, if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I will be waiting for your comments. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.